In this tutorial, we'll be having a look at the relative minor of the G-flat major, which is E-flat minor. Still, we have all the flats, B, E, A, D, G, and C-flat. C-flat, enharmonically spelled, is actually B. But as we know with any harmonic scale, the 7th degree is raised. In this case, it means that the D-flat will now become a D natural. This presents a little bit of a problem, a little bit of acrobatics that we need to follow in order to make sure that we don't confuse ourselves when we get to that particular part in the scale. Again, please remember to subscribe, check the bell notification, like my video, leave a comment, and even give a super thanks. Thanks so much for those subscribers that are giving me some super love. I superbly enjoyed. Thank you very, very much. Right, let's jump in. Let's do one octave first. Starting on E flat this time around. E flat, second finger, I'm going to play. Now, I'm going to have my thumb on B or C flat, and I'm going to skip over to the D natural. So as you can see, there's a big jump here. That we need to take note of. If we use our fingers incorrectly there, we will run out of fingers, we will break the legato line, and the scale won't go as fluent. So this is something to practice. For the left hand, we're starting on our second finger as well. 2, 1, 4 over. My thumb is still going to be on B. Now I'm going to jump over with my third finger. And this is very important, this third finger jump. Yes, it might be easier to use the second, but when we get to 2 and 4 octaves, we need to have a good sense and use of fingers and their positions in order for us to keep a stable scale going. Hands together. Remembering thumb over third. And there we have the 1 octave version. For 2 octaves, we'll be copying and pasting those fingers, remembering the D and the configuration of the fingering regarding that area. Right, starting on E flat. Thumb on F. Right, left hand. Thumb on C flat or B, third over to D, thumb on F. And then hands together. And there we have the 2 octave scale. Hanon wants us to play this 4 octaves with a repeat, starting nice and low. Now I'm going to start, we can start really, really low, or we can start right here as well, whichever is much more comfortable for you. It really doesn't matter, just don't start too high, otherwise you're going to run out of keys. I'm going to start really, really low. Remembering to repeat the scale twice. Moving on to the cadence at the end. When we get to the bottom, We're going to jump all the way up to A flat, B flat, B flat, and E flat. Easy movement there for the left hand, all black keys. For the right hand, we're going to play F, C flat, and E flat. Roll up, play G flat, B flat, and E flat. Then we're going to play D, B flat, A flat, and F. And finally, we're going to have a nice big stretch, all black keys, E, G, B, and E flat. Putting these hands together, up to the A flat for the left, F, C flat, and E flat. Roll up, now down, remembering D, natural, B flat, A flat, F, and then finally big stretch, all black keys for the end. And there we have the E-Flat minor, or the E-Flat Harmonic Minor Scale in its variants. Thanks again for watching.